You guys, we are back with another video over here with Tech with Forrest, and this is one that I promised you all that we would do. I didn't think that we would have this soon after the release date, but thankfully we were able to get it here. This is something I've been looking forward to seeing what the differences may be. Today we're unboxing the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell that we get all the notifications every time I drop on these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at Tech with Forrest. If you guys are on mobile, make sure you guys are hitting the hype button as well. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway for you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what's something you guys would like to see given away. But you guys, I wanted to get something super special. This is something I've wanted to actually test out for quite some time. Again, we're gonna go over the differences and everything. I'm gonna throw up a chart and everything, kind of read everything off that is different from the Osmo Pocket 4 to the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. This is something that honestly I feel like is driven more towards professionals. Like if you're somebody like me, this content creation daily, this is something I feel like is perfect for you. But the Osmo Pocket 4 is something that as you are kind of learning, it packs a major punch, and especially with the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro being a lot more expensive as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's unbox it. All right, you guys, and here we have it, the package right here. And as you guys know, DJI actually is not allowed to be sold in the United States. So I'm probably one of the few people that was willing to pay that price to get this. Insta360 made the Luna Ultra and everything, and that is a dual lens camera as well. But this right here is one that I think will take the cake from everybody. This is the first time I've ever seen a dual handheld camera. So this is something I'm looking forward to seeing right now. Here you guys have it, the packaging right here, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. Or 4 Pro. This is the vlog combo. As you guys know, I always get the creator combos and everything because, again, that's what I am. I'm a creator. I vlog, I do stuff with it and everything. So I always feel like, in my opinion, for me to be able to give my best outlook on this product, I have to get what I'm going to be using it for. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's go through everything that's different. So you have dual cameras, cinematic shots near and far. You have an enhanced 1-inch sensor. And here is one major difference. The Osmo Pocket 4, 14 stops of dynamic range. The 4 Pro has a 17 stop dynamic range, you guys. That is something absolutely crazy that I'm excited to actually test out. So you have classic focal length for standout portraits, so you can take pictures and everything. You have new D-Log 2 light and shadow precision, 4K 240 frames per second, in-camera live photo, 103 gigabytes of built-in storage, and a 3-axis stabilization. In the box, you have the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, a light magnet mini tripod, frame tap, which we're going to get into that in a minute, transmitter, magnetic clip, carrying bag, USB-C cable, handle with 1/4 thread, magnetic font cover, looks like a portable carrying pouch, transmitter, magnetic cable, windscreen, and a frame tape magnet. So there's a ton of stuff in here. So without further ado, let's unbox this right now. And real quick, I'm gonna throw up on the screen everything that is a major upgrade really quick for the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. Absolutely insane. So of course, dual cameras is new. You have the 3-time optical zoom. It can go all the way, I think it's up to 12 times, which is absolutely insane. Up to 17 stops of dynamic range. You have 10-bit D-Log and D-Log 2. A dedicated telephoto lens. I'm gonna read everything off to you. You have 4K 200 frames per second wide angle, 4K 200 frames per second telephoto. Enhanced intelligent autofocus, which again is slightly better than what we got for the Osmo Pocket 4. Both of them have the 3-axis gimbal. You have a 2-inch touchscreen, 103 internal storage, and of course you have a little bit better battery. The size and weight, it's a little bit taller, a little bit heavier, as you guys know, and it's really about $200 more than what the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is. So again, if it's For my opinion, if you're like a professional content creator, then it makes sense to get this. If you're not, it does not make sense to spend that extra money. So real quick, gonna unbox everything really right fast for you guys so we can kind of get through this. I don't want to make this a super long video until we get into the comparison of the two, which I'll make a separate video for that. Even honestly, you can tell the carrying case is a lot larger than what the Osmo Pocket 4 was. So I feel like this is going to be a little bit heavier. I'm kind of curious to see how smooth the gimbal is going to go with it. In my opinion, I hope it still is really, really smooth, because Osmo Pocket 4 to me is probably my favorite as of right now, but this one probably can take the cake pretty quickly. And here we are going to unbox the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, and here you guys have it. You have the dual lens, something, honestly, it is definitely heavier. I can tell the difference between this and the Osmo Pocket 4. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but this is absolutely crazy to look at and to actually have in hand. Literally just been seeing photos and people putting settings and everything. It's kind of cool to actually have that here. This is the one of the handles as well that comes with it. You have your magnets, mic, everything here. Take this out, looks like another cover, and this is something that the Insta360 Luna Ultra was supposed to be super insane to have, and everything was a detachable screen. Well, looks like we have that as well with the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, with the vlogging kit at least. This is absolutely insane. You can, I haven't tested it out. I'll test everything out for you guys. This is absolutely fire to be able to have something like this, because that way you can kind of set it away and you can have different shots kind of shooting down, or any kind of B-roll cinematic shots or anything, and be able to move it with this screen and just hit record or snap a photo. That right there is major. Here's the light that goes with it, and windscreen, stuff like that. Here comes your tripod, mini tripod here. I'm really excited to test that out, to be honest, to see how far that actually reaches. USB-C cable, another cable here, and just a little hand strap. I forget what cable this one is actually. Oh, it's the charging cable, magnetic charging cable. So in here there's a lot of stuff. You have another cable, a couple more cables actually, and a couple more carrying cases, a couple more wrist straps as well. So got a couple things here. Honestly, I'm excited to be able to get this started. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. That is what it is going to look like, you guys. Absolutely crazy to have this thing here. You can move it around just like that. Very, very simple. The same thing as the Osmo Pocket 4. You have the capture, you have the zoom, you of course have the really smooth joystick here on the back, and the record button as well. I'm excited to get this thing started, to see what this looks like. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of everything that is an upgrade. Is it worth upgrading to the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, or is it really just overkill? I'm really, really curious what you guys think, and as always, let me know in the comment section down below. Hit that subscribe button to Tech with Forrest. This is something I'm excited to get ready to use. I'm gonna start posting and everything on the Instagram, all the results and everything, probably before I'm able to get it on here. So love you guys, appreciate y'all. Absolutely crazy to actually have this in hand now, even right here, Pocket 4P. Something super crazy. I'm excited. Let me know, would you guys upgrade if you guys were a professional, if you guys were an everyday content creator, or is this something that you guys think just not worth the extra 200 bucks? Let me know in the comment section down below. Love you guys, appreciate y'all, and again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.